Hello everyone, welcome to the Beauty Influencer. In today's episode, we'll be sharing a tutorial on repairing damaged hair using a lineup of premium hair care products from our very own Elastine PropoliThera line. Many of us are all too familiar with the damage to our hair influenced by daily decisions, such as using heated styling tools, overwashing, or over processing our hair regularly. Did you know that cold, dry air and harsh weather conditions can also make your hair dehydrated and prone to breakage? The truth is, damaged hair requires special attention and a proper, consistent hair care routine to both prevent it and repair it. So, if you find yourself battling dry strands, brittle hair, and split ends, our Elastine PropoliThera is a great place to start. Suitable for all hair types, color-treated hair, permed hair, or chemically treated hair. The key ingredients found in the Elastine PropoliThera products are mostly provided by bees, adding new life to your hair. They are formulated with Propolis, which is a tree sap that bees combine with their own beeswax to use as a coating for their hives. Propolis contains minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants to help restore weak and brittle hair, all while honey helps restore moisture and royal jelly helps lock in shine, restoring your hair's natural luster. Let's dive right in, featuring 5 of our buzzworthy Elastine PropoliThera hair products. First things first, before applying any of these hair care products, rinse your hair with lukewarm water as to not strip your hair of its essential oils, which can in return make it even drier. The Elastine PropoliThera Damage Repair Shampoo and Conditioner are the perfect duo when it comes to helping to repair and soften damaged hair, making it appear smooth and manageable. First, start by applying a generous amount of the Elastine PropoliThera Damage Repair Shampoo onto wet hair and gently massage it into scalp and strands. Don't forget to rinse. Follow up by applying the Elastine PropoliThera Damage Repair Conditioner from ends to roots, or focusing on ends alone, and leave on for 3 minutes before rinsing again. A mask is a beneficial step in a damaged hair care routine to offer the hair some extra TLC. The Elastine PropoliThera hair mask is a nutrient-enriched, rejuvenating in-shower hair mask that deeply nourishes and repairs split ends. Apply a quarter-sized amount of the Elastine PropoliThera hair mask from root to tip, paying particular attention to damaged ends or concentrating on the strands and ends alone. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse off. We recommend using the mask after shampooing and conditioning your hair 1 to 3 times a week. If you're looking to further your conditioning game, another option available to you is the Elastine PropoliThera Leave-In Conditioner. This post-shower leave-in conditioning spray hydrates and nourishes dry hair, infusing it with rich luster. Its additional key ingredients, hydrolyzed collagen, and argan oil, infuse each strand with moisture for manageability while providing volume. Spray the Elastine PropoliThera Leave-In Conditioner evenly onto towel-dried or dry hair prior to brushing. The Elastine PropoliThera Hair Oil Serum is the last step in your damaged hair care routine. It helps to strengthen, protect, moisturize, and add shine to your hair. Use post-shower, working 1 to 2 pumps through damp or dry hair, focusing on ends. No rinsing needed. This oil serum can be reapplied for maintenance between hair washes to continue to benefit from these hair-loving key ingredients. Take the sting out of damaged hair with these rejuvenating hair care products from Elastine PropoliThera. Isn't it time you caught the buzz while continuing to make life beautiful with Avon?